Hey, you do not need to have tens to thousands of shoes in your closet before you can be able to style any of your wears. You don't need to have that. Just having these four types of shoes, you are good to go on any outfit, drip on drip. Hey, what up, guys? It's Testimony here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button because on this channel I teach men on how to drip smarter. You drip smart. So let's jump into it. Having these four types of shoes in your closet, you're able to style any wears you want to style, and you still look good and still look manly. You still dress smarter. So the first I have here for you is what? Is sneakers. A white sneakers. It's very versatile. You can style these sneakers with your work. Maybe you're just going on a hangout on a weekend with friends and family. When you style your sneakers with your casual wears, you're still looking good and you're dripping smartly. Also, you can also style your sneakers under a suit. Maybe you're just going for a job, you're going to the office on a Thursday or Friday, and you just want to put on a suit without your ties. Putting on the stylish sneakers under it, you're still looking good to go. Also, you can here in Nigeria, people put on sneakers under senatorial wear. Maybe put on a senatorial, you just put on the sneakers under it, you're still looking good. But no, don't put on the sneakers under agbada. My Nigerian brothers understand what I'm trying to say. Don't put on the sneakers. And one thing again is that sneakers are best styled with no-show socks. When you put on a sneaker with no-show socks, it doesn't show and it still makes you look good. Because without putting on your shoe without the socks, it makes it smell. So it's better you put on a no-show socks, because of putting on a long socks under a sneakers makes you look hot. So try to avoid that. So the next I have here is what? Is a leather Oxford shoe. This leather Oxford shoe is from Calvin Klein, and this shoe is very good. Maybe you're going for a job interview and you want to put on a suit to look officially good. Also, maybe you're going for a job seminar or going for your a business meeting. Better you style your suit with what? With a leather Oxford shoe. Why the third one I have here is what? Is an ankle shoe. Ankles are always nice. I love ankle shoe. I got this ankle shoe from a cobbler down the street here in my area. Ankle shoes are best for anything. Ankle shoe is very versatile. I put on my ankle shoe. I put it on when I'm putting on casual, corporate, putting on native wear. My ankle shoe is always there for me. That's why I love this ankle shoe. I love the fact that it's black, and I love the fact that it has a band, like a elastic band over here at the ankle, makes it easy to wear. And so the last but not the least I have in here is what? Is an half shoe. An half shoe is very easy to wear. Just putting your leg inside, it's so convenient, and everything you need to know about it. And one thing about this half shoe is that it's best styled under native wear, casual wear. You can style your half shoe under casual wears and even native wears. That's one of the best thing about this, and it's easy to wear and easy to pull out. And so guys, these are the four types of shoes that you need to have in your closet. If you have these four types of shoes in your closet, you are good to go on any outfit. So which of these shoes do you have, or which of these shoes do you think of buying? Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.